Hi, I'm Bec, and today we're going to be talking about worries of young people with and without autism as they transition from school. We know the prevalence of anxiety disorders are considerably higher among children diagnosed with autism compared to non-autistic children. The transition from high school can be a really tricky time, especially for those on the spectrum. This study from Scotland compared the nature of worries of 22 autistic adolescents to 22 non-autistic adolescents who were transitioning from school. Each adolescent completed a worry interview and an anxiety questionnaire. This study found that autistic people were more worried about change, friendship, loneliness, school and sensory matters than their non-autistic peers, and the non-autistic group were more worried about failure, work and money. Interestingly, when worry topics overlapped, the content of these were quite different between the autistic and non-autistic groups. Autistic adolescents who discussed change were concerned about changes in their routine, whereas non-autistic people were worried about the prospect of moving away from home. Autistic people who discussed friendships were concerned about having their social skills to make friends, whereas non-autistic people were concerned about losing touch with friends. Loneliness was discussed by the autistic people as concerns for about social exclusion, whereas non-autistic participants were more anxious about losing friends. Sensory concerns for autistic participants related to sensory environments, whereas this related to losing vision or headaches for non-autistic people. With regards to work, autistic people were concerned about managing the social demands of the workplace, while non-autistic people were concerned about being able to get a job. Finally, health worries for autistic people were centred around mental health, whereas physical health was more concerning for the non-autistic people. Overall, the autistic group had significantly higher distress and anxiety scores compared to the non-autistic group, but there was no significant difference in the frequency of worry scores. This study highlights the variation between worry content among autistic and non-autistic adolescents who are preparing to leave school. Understanding these differences can support teachers, parents and health professionals to better support autistic adolescents as they're preparing to leave school.